Look, don't look at that.
Oh.
And, hi fans of high quality entertainment, I'm with Molly, and we're going to try something we've never really did it before. Did it. Is a blind taste test. We both went to the Bulk Barn in Trenton, Ontario, and we picked out some crap for both of us to try. But yeah, we'll take turns, I guess, back and forth. We decided to just buy three items each, and without knowing it, we both bought 4 items.
Whoa.
Yeah.
I know.
So who goes first?
You, so we'll see how you want to do this.
Okay. So here's my sleep mask thingy. Stevie Wonder sells these on his website. Blind jokes, just...
Oh, you mean you're going to try it first? Okay.
Yeah, well, I thought that was the...
I thought you were going to...
Do you want to go first?
No.
Okay. So, and excuse the background noise.
Yeah, it's a fan.
It's a fan.
Every time you say that.
Well, there's always new people, and sometimes there's new to people watching.
No, wait, I want you to go first. I want to go first.
Okay, do you? Okay.
So I want to see... Yeah.
Okay. I have no idea which I'll try. So I will let the viewers in on what I'm going to give for her. Some of it's not bad. Some of it's terrible. So we'll start with this. And just see if she can guess what it is. The flavor and everything. So open your mouth. Wider. Take a good bite. I promise it's not bad. It's not bad. Just take a good bite.
I'll put a granola bar.
Yeah.
It's a granola bar, right?
Yeah. Well, try and guess what's in it though.
Granola, nuts, chocolate, honey.
Why don't you just list everything until you get it? It's a nut bar.
Blueberries?
Close.
I don't know.
It's,
Cranberries.
well, close.
Raisin?
It's a raspberry, dark chocolate, and hazelnut.
I was gonna say that.
That's exactly what she was going to say next, wasn't it?
Wow, yeah.
How does it taste? All right.
They're good. Are
Yeah.
they gluten-free?
Yeah, they are, I think.
Is everything we're trying gluten-free?
Yeah, it is gluten-free. That's why I bought it, so I can finish it off.
Oh.
Okay. See?
It's what it tastes. Okay, well,
And then she's going to give me just absolute crap.
Okay.
Save the worst thing for last.
Don't look. Oh, it's like a look. The worst thing? I don't know which is the worst. Okay.
I can see clearly now the rain has gone.
Okay, I'm going to give you something that...
Where are you?
I don't know if you've ever had this because you don't...
What do I do? Do I just chew it?
I'm going to give John a spoon.
A spoon? It's on a spoon?
Yeah. I don't know if you've ever had this. You could.
We'll talk later. Did you show them what it is?
I did show them.
I don't like this idea.
Ready?
No.
Open wide. Bigger.
Is it cat food?
It's not
Is it
bad.
spam?
I just don't know if
Okay.
you've had it before.
My mouth is over here.
Oh.
Yeah. It's a fruit, right?
Yeah.
I think I've had it before. I might have. What letter does it start with?
Okay.
What's the next letter? What is the next letter?
Have some more.
only open my mouth.
Warn you.
I like it.
Yeah, see, it's good. I just didn't know if you've ever had one before.
K what?
It's your K-I.
Kiwi. Yeah.
Kiwi fruit, yeah.
Yeah, I've had kiwi before.
Okay. Well, I don't know with you. Right? That wasn't so bad.
It wasn't so bad, was it?
Start off nice.
Now let's get serious.
Yeah.
Can you wear that tonight? Anyway, okay, here's another one I'm going to show them. I might use this for the thumbnail. Okay, so what you have to do is... Can you open it for me? Just get her to open things I can't open. Okay. Now this, you don't, you just put it in your mouth and you don't swallow it or chew it or anything, okay? Just, it'll kind of melt in your mouth. So, I don't know how we're going to do this. Open your mouth and I'll just pour a little in. I'm serious. Okay, and don't swallow it. Okay.
This is getting weird.
Tip.
I think I know.
It's not even coming out there. Just a second. Okay.
I know what.
Now close.
I knew it was going to be that. Popping rock candy. Fizzy rocks, right? Clearly. Do I have to guess the flavor of them? Or just what it was? Because it's fizzy.
Yeah, guess the flavor too.
Oh, made it hard for me. Blueberry.
Grape.
Grape. Yep.
How are they popping?
That's fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was going to get those for
showing
you,
them
but I thought
again.
it'd be...
She should be showing you. I wonder if they're gluten-free. Mmm. Processed with carbon dioxide to provide crackling. Do you want the rest of these?
Not right now.
No, do you want
Hey,
garbage?
don't throw them out.
Okay.
Garbage. Garbage.
Here, put this too here. Yeah. It's my turn, yay. I'm gonna put them over, no, I'm not gonna put them over my glasses. That would just be weird.
Come over your mouth. Oh, I should show.
Give
You're not
time,
gonna like these.
give them time to read it. Right? There's some really slow readers out there, so hold that there for like 30 seconds. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And what do I do, just chew on this or?
Put your head back, open your mouth, I'm going to pour them in. Okay, I think it's... I don't know if you've ever had these.
I feel like a little bird with his
Hey.
mum and the worm.
Just hold still. You gotta take the whole thing.
Oh! Oh! What the?
Chew it, just...
It's like I'm chewing on teeth. I don't like it.
You don't like it?
Oh, I don't like it.
I thought you wouldn't.
Where's the water?
I just had it right here.
I don't want to know yet. Wait till I swallow it. That's what she said. Ow! Maybe I don't want to ever know what that was. Some kind of...
Is it really hard? Did I give you really...
Is it some dried something fish thing?
No,
crap?
it's not
No,
fish.
don't tell me yet. Let me
Oh,
get it
they're
out
hard.
of my...
No.
Is there something
No, it's
worse
not
than
that
that? Like a seaweed thing?
No,
Oh,
nothing.
that was
seafood.
terrible. What was it?
Pork rinds.
Oh!
It's that bad.
Oh, honey, you know how I get turned off with.
There you go. You have.
Like, what have I told you before about? Like, they have the a pig roast.
Okay.
Who would go to a pig roast? Who wants to see a pig roasting on an open fire? Oh, oh, man. Oh, ugh.
Want some Pop Rocks? Want some more kiwi? I don't think they're that bad.
Oh, no, they're disgusting. Oh. Oh, I'm gonna get you back.
Go in the kitchen and find something gross.
Here.
Cat food.
This is something different again, and it's not bad. Like your crap.
Gets worse.
Pork rinds. And I even told you once. We pointed them out and how disgusting they were.
Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you? Did you?
Yeah.
Oh, I forgot.
Hurry up and read it.
It's
Okay.
hot.
Well,
Turn that fan off.
I'll turn the fan over. So you have to guess what this is, and it isn't bad at all. It's like a... Open your mouth wide.
Oh, oh, I know.
First of all, how does it taste? Good, or you like it, or? Yeah.
It's a macaroon, right? Coconut.
Yeah, but what kind is it?
Coconut with coffee?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very good. Yummy mounds of coconut coffee goodness, and I believe they're gluten-free, so I'm going to try them.
Here, eat the rest of this. We'll get a taste in your mouth. The pork rind, please.
Tastes like it. You think of it. I love coconut. They're pretty good. Oh my God. Don't tell me there's things that are worse.
No.
I gotta drink some water.
This is a drink. Well, clear your thing. But you can have a drink this time. I've never had this and I wanted to try it. So we'll see what
Gluten-free beer. I know that.
No,
I know
it's
what
not.
it is. Oh.
I've never had this and I wanted to try it. And you just said, well, let's give you a little bit. Well,
Just a little bit.
I'm gonna get you in a shot glass so you don't have to.
I just had it. Is it going to be as good as the McDonald's chocolate milkshake I just had?
Here, it's in a shot glass, so just take it.
It's in a shot glass.
Yeah, I just wanted to give you a little bit.
A little
It's
bit?
not alcoholic.
I know I'm going to end up making a face. Tastes weird. I don't like it. You suck at shopping. I'm drinking more of it anyway. I have no idea what that is. Did you show them?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Ew, it's not good, is it?
No.
Here, put this up. See what
Yeah. I think
Coconut
I've
water. Have you
I think
had it
I've
before?
tried coconut water before, and I was like, yeah.
It doesn't taste anything like coconuts,
No.
does it? That's not good.
I highly recommend it.
Come get the rest of the can if you want.
Yeah. We're gonna have a party tonight with coconut
Lots of
water
leftovers tonight.
and kale chips. Okay, your turn.
You ever had kale chips?
Yeah, they're disgusting. I did them on one of my old videos.
So I will give you the
This
last
is the last one. It's something to eat. I can't open it. So these are there are people actually out there that just saw those and they're vomiting right now.
Kale chips.
No,
You're giving me the pork rinds already.
that'd be funny.
They're not bad. Some sort of tortilla chip, right?
Yeah.
Corn
What
chip?
what kind though?
Like a spicy one, sort of?
You may take off the mask.
Hot sauce one? Oh no. No, they're good.
Yeah. Yeah, spinach and kale.
Oh.
And they're gluten free, I think. Yeah. So I'll try one too.
You weren't joking about the kale chip.
Well, I forgot that they were actually kale.
Right? It tastes like just like on my...
I wouldn't buy them.
You did.
I know I would buy them, I just bought them. I'd never buy those. Here, you finish those off. You take those home. Is this the last one?
Yeah.
Thank God. Don't give me the pork rinds again, although that would be funny.
One will show you. These were my favorite when I was little.
I'm waiting.
Okay.
Is it a candy?
I can do it when I was little.
We should have bought candies. Can I have a little nap while I'm waiting?
Okay, now this, I think... Open your mouth. The whole thing's good.
My eyes adore you.
Okay, quiet. Open your mouth. Open.
What do I do? Chew it?
Just put it in your mouth. I think maybe and taste it. Oh. You like that?
Mm-hmm.
You like
I like it a lot.
that? Anything tastes better after a pork rind, right?
Oh, pork rind. It tastes like, is it pork rind bubble gum? It's gum though,
There's
isn't
a
it?
theme here.
Is this a gum?
Yeah, it's these. But I thought it was going to be sour.
It is.
Not really, not like extra sour, crybaby gummies. But I think they called them tear jerkers when I was little. I used to like to get those.
Try one.
I know. Well, they're not bad.
I love them. They're not really sour though. Hmm? They're really good though. Really flavorful.
Good.
Don't talk with your mouth full, okay? It's really rude. Yeah. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed our... We'll do more of these if, you know, enough people enjoyed it. Or we'll do less if enough people enjoy it. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. And remember to say...
I love you all.
That's it. Bye.
Yeah, I feel this mutual.